Hello guys, so this is the continuation of the tutorial on using agent on IO.net. So today we're going to be looking at the calendar and Zoom meeting agent. So this is different from other tutorials in the sense that this agent uses an external software. So this external software will have to have we need to have secrets like account ID, client secret, and all that. So to get started on this, you need your API key. I guess you already know how to do that since I've taught you before. Then you need to follow these instructions to get your keys, right? So go to Zoom App Marketplace here. First sign in, then first develop, build app, first server to server WhatsApp, then create. When you name your app, you can name your app like agent. Right, so these are um your keys, so just copy them and place them here, right? All right, so once you're done with that, you can go to code here. So just go to your maybe your desktop. So I already created my file, so I'll just tell you how to do that. So you just create your folder called maybe Zoom agent, right? Or calendar, anyone, maybe Zoom, adapt it, Zoom management. So you click enter and it will create that. Then you go to Zoom management. Then you create your files. Echo zoom.py. It's supposed to be Python. Make sure you have Python installed on your computer, as I said before. So you need to create that file. Then you also create .env to hold your environmental variables. All right. So once you're done with that, you can just open your editor and it will open this. All right. So this is it right here. I just copied the code from here. Make sure you install IO Intel. Just copy this and install it. Once you're done installing it, you can copy this code. All right. So now the only thing different that I changed here, I imported .env and loaded this .env load .env, right? So that's what I did now. And in this .env, I copied this variable here and pasted here along with my IONet API key, right? So that's that. So in case you have in case you have um information on your Zoom app marketplace, right? You can just use these agents to you know navigate things for you. So what it does is that it's a professional calendar and meeting management assistant that helps schedule, list, and manage Zoom meetings. So you can just manage meetings for you, and all that. So you can just check this out. I'm just gonna do um Python. zoom management.py. So I want to run a Python code. All right, it says sorry, I wasn't able to retrieve your upcoming Zoom meetings because the student could not obtain the necessary access token. Right, right. So I did not put the secrets in this particular place, but I've put it in my INet dashboard, right? So that's that. So if you want to update this a little bit, you can just change the objective here, change the instructions. This is the overall objective. This is the um more emphasized objective, right? And this is the name of the agent. This is the argument type custom. It means that your is a custom, custom instruction. You're giving it your own instruction, right? All right. So this is the base ARL and everything. This is the response. This is what goes from here. This payload. This is what the JSON equals to these instructions. So IO.NET can now process this using the agent. All right. So that's that on using the Zoom agent, Zoom management and calendar agent on IO.NET. I will see you on the next tutorial.